All right, good day and welcome to another SandosPromo.com video. Today's video is from the Sandos Playacar Beach Resort and Spa located in Playacar, Mexico, just south of Cancun, about 50 minutes. And so this is my Royal Elite room. And so I actually went through Sylvie, and Sylvie is the owner of Royal Elite Weeks, and she hooks people up with the membership side. All right, so people that buy into Royal Elite, the high-end side, the membership side of Sandos Resorts, all right, you can rent those weeks, right? And so Sylvie will get you hooked up. The thing went off without a hitch. It was impressively quick. I think it was like less than 24 hours. I had booked this thing, and it just worked out fantastic. Sylvie has an incredible system going on. She has an incredible system going on, honestly. Plenty of information to print out and to know different things about the resort. And so ultimately, I am just so super impressed. I just spent a week at Sandos Resort. Just thank you, Sylvie. Fantastic. I just checked in the Sandos Playacar. I've already taken a nap, right? And I tell you, the room is freezing cold. All right, I haven't figured out how to master this thing yet because it has no numbers on it. And so, yeah, I'm just loving it. Absolutely loving it. At Sandos Resort, I was given 3 bottles of booze, right? And here at the Playacar, I was given 2 bottles of booze. So again, another thing of, I think, tequila, yeah. And this here, it looks like I've got red and white wine. Oh yeah, and a fresh thing of fruit. And it is real. All right, yeah. Plums, grapes, apples, a pear, a banana. And if you could tell me what that is in the comments below, I'd appreciate it. Oh, I think that's one of those lychee things that I saw in Hawaii. Huh. Anyway, I'd like to know what that is. And so the room itself is just fantastic. Yeah, I love it. You got a bottle of water thing here. I had no problem getting Lysol wipes. Okay, that went into my main luggage. All right, I brought 2 full bottles here. I actually have not even used a couple of wipes. I got my shots before I got here. And so, yeah, the whole thing has just been incredible. Fantastic. Beautiful room. And I am in the adults only section. Yeah. Got a little porch. And beautiful. So thank you, Sylvie, for just a fantastic vacation. Actually, like a double vacation, and I couldn't be happier. And so you get my personal recommendation. If somebody is looking to go to Sandos Resorts and you want to do the black band, right? All right, the black band, and have access to all kinds of cool things as extras, check out RoyalEliteWeeks.com. They have my approval because it is just that incredible. So check out Sylvie, check out her Facebook page. She has one of the most informative pages about Royal Elite, about Sandos Playacar, Sandos Resort, and I highly recommend her. All right, thank you. Have a great day. SandosPromo.com.